TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials down 13. You get the NASDAQ flat. S&Ps are down 450. Gold is trading down $1.90 at 11.17. You have silver up 5 cents at $14.93. The gold market, silver market moved topside with conviction yesterday. The wide price spread, accelerated volume. They both look like they're going to want to go up to the August 24th swing highs. Platinum down $10, $9.62. You get copper flat out here at $2.45. Light sweet crude is up 33 cents, trading at $47.38 a barrel. Bonds. Now, the bond market, folks, is projecting a monster ABC structure on the way down. What does that specifically mean? We have the 10-year right now up 4 ticks, 126.20. 30-year is up 13 at 152.07. Now, that's after on Tuesday and Wednesday, you went south, downtown, with wide price spread, accelerated volume. That sets up much lower prices in the bond market, and I suspect the probability has gone dramatically higher, how bonds have been trading, that the Fed will go up 25 basis points today. Now, the divergence comes in King dollar. King dollar can't handle higher price. King dollar right now is down 247 ticks. You're at 95.30, and fundamentally, if the Fed goes up, King dollar should be moving up. So 2 o'clock this afternoon, the fireworks are going to be out here. Euro is up 32 ticks, trading at 113, and the yen is flat at 120.87. The lines are in the sand, and the lines that we're talking about in the sand out here, folks, if we take a look at the futures market first, what you're going to see is this. They're laying out right now at the we're at 1985, and the line is laid out at 1983 to 1981. That's the line. If we get away from that line, meaning up or down, that's where you're going to see some really fast and furious markets. Inside the NASDAQ composite, the NASDAQ futures, the line is set up right now. We're trading at 43.74. That line is down at the 43.61 level. What I do expect you're going to see here is you're going to see monster volatility as we come into the 2 o'clock time frame, and then, of course, after the 2 o'clock time frame. When we take a look at the 10-year bond, the 10-year bond is screaming that, we just came down fast and furious on Tuesday from 127.22 to 126.22. Yesterday, you went to a lower low, had an expansion of volume. What this is setting up, the bond market wants, the 10-year wants to go down to 125.20 like ASAP. That looks to me that we get that move, that would be saying that the Fed goes up 25 basis points. Now, the 30-year, that's on a short-term basis. On a longer-term basis, what we have is this. This is about as intense as you can get. The 30-year right now is trading at 153.18. That is set up to get down to 136. And where I'm going with the 136, folks, is that if you have to actually take a look at the 2-year note, when we came down on Tuesday and on Wednesday, the closer you are to, of course, the short-term rate, because we're talking about bank-to-bank rate here, and the 2-year note would be the closest ones that you'd be looking at. Well, the 2-year note also came down with velocity, broke all the trend lines going all the way back to September of 2014. So that's setting up. That's where that baby does want to go into. So what can you expect? You can expect that the bulls and bears are going to be fighting over those lines out there right up until 2 o'clock, and the fireworks are going to be out there. And either way, you're going to get the volatility in the marketplace. And I suspect, the last 2 days we've had dramatically lighter volume on the way up. So the probability is that we're going to go south versus north. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call them at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.